Welcome back to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button for more simple vegan recipes. I'm going to do a strawberry spinach salad. I'm going to go ahead and cut the strawberries, get them washed and cut. I'm going to add the spinach. I'm also going to add some walnuts and some pecans and a Mediterranean dressing. Now you can add whatever dressing that you like, or you can make your own dressing, but for this recipe I'm going to use the Mediterranean dressing. So let's go ahead and get those ingredients all together. Okay folks, so we're all done with this simple spinach strawberry with walnuts and pecans. It looks really good. Lots of antioxidant, very colorful. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those simple vegan recipes a try and to subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.